So basically today we did have INDP so far. This is what I have charted out. So we did alert it at 9:10. So right around this area, right on the break of VWAP. I like that confirmation. I saw that there was patent, pretty low float here. So right when it broke 10, that saw a nice little pop. Since it was a low float and it had news, nothing else was really running. So I was pretty confident that this would run. Just give me 1 second.
Not sure, but the bond.
All right, so yeah, you guys see how this was. So basically, I posted that 9:10 entry. It was kind of quick, so it went to 9:4-ish area, and then I said this dip near VWAP 9.3 area is pretty good. So you guys had some time to load up that dip and then just ride the wave. So once we broke this 10 resistance area on INDP from 9.1, we do see that we tested this, how this was resistance, right? We kind of broke that resistance. And then later on, we tested that resistance to be support. We held that 10 EMA and then we started riding up, right? After it broke that high of day again, 10.4, which I said on the daily, right? I pointed that out that the daily 50 EMA is actually the 10 point, what was it at the 50 EMA? That was the 10.4. You guys see that right there? So that's exactly why it rejected. So that's kind of why I liked that play. And I said 10.4, 10.5 major breakout, and we rode it up, and then you see a downtrend breakout here. Could have played this as an entry as well. Try to break it, it couldn't. Try to break it, it couldn't. Try to break it, it couldn't. Eventually, it breaks out, breaks the previous resistance over this 12 area, and then rides to 12.89. So very solid trade right there. I'm just gonna be patient on IRNT. It's a smaller size trade for me. I'm not going in too big here. I'm gonna be more focused on this is a bigger price stock, so obviously there's potential here, but I'm not looking for a crazy move. Unless we do break high of day, then I'll maybe get a little bit more. But it's just a small size position. I'll stop under 50 EMA, so 26 under 26.3. I'll stop out. 26.5 average. That's not even like 1%. So whatever. So clear break
So
under 26.3. What's up?
Could you please go back to INDP?
Yeah, for sure. So it's currently in that downtrend breakout. You see how that chart's drawn out for that downtrend?
Yeah.
So we try to break it. We had this high area. We tried to break it. It couldn't. We had a fake out, broke under VWAP, and then that same trend line is going to keep going. So once we broke over VWAP again, I got some more. I still think that nothing else is running so far. So this does have the most potential right now. If we actually close the 5-minute candle over VWAP, so we have around 2 minutes on that.
Yeah. Can you go back to when it's skyrocketed? Maybe. Yeah. See, would you consider, for example, INDB, it ran maybe first consolidation or let's say bullish flag 3 times, right?
Where at? Could you tell me where to look at?
Yes, exactly here, where flooded pointed. Yes, the first one, second one, and third one. Would you consider the fourth one will be entry risky or what?
This one right here?
Yeah.
I would so you see how like I personally got more on that break, right? So I said I added 9.1. I got more on that break. So 10 break was a key area. So I try to help slap it up. So I personally, right when I saw that break, I added, but if you didn't want to, after you saw so many green candles, it's best to see consolidation before the breakout, because that means the breakout is going to be weaker if there's too many green candles straight up. Does that make sense? So like if we just go from here, green, when we break 10, it's probably going to be a fake out because too many green candles, right?
Okay.
So we would like to see slow consolidation. I like this consolidation here. I would prefer reject of 10 here, go to VWAP and then break it again. Nice little cup and handle. But you see how like if you did take a little on the 10 and it came down, stop out on that starter. and then you can wait for that 10 break, wait for that near that 10 support test again, right? It hit 9.99.
The moving
It held
average
that support.
would be considered as support, right?
Yeah, exactly. So that 10 EMA, and you have that previous resistance, which is going to act as support. So you basically have double support, right? You have this 10 EMA moving average, and then you also have this previous resistance, which is now going to act as support, right? This $10 area, which is now testing again.
Yeah, fair enough. Thank you.
For sure. Does that help?
Yeah, thank you. Because
Awesome.
sometimes I thought maybe it would be risky entry for me after so many consolidation, or let's say bullish flag.
That definitely makes sense, bro. Yes, yeah, I just stopped out of that IRNT here. I took a tiny loss on here, but my main focus, yeah, it was a small position anyway, so I'm trying to focus on this INDP still. There we go. That's getting the pop. It's a little bit harder for me to trade on that phone right now. Too many positions.
Hey, Mini, what do you think about LMFA?
Give me 1 second. LMFA, it's all right. I like it, but the thing is, I'm not sure if it breaks 5.5 yet. So the thing is, I was checking if they had an S3 and offering out, which I don't see it, but I like it. So maybe VWAP. I'm personally just gonna play 5.5 break. I'm not gonna touch it. I don't want to force any trades today. I'm already up crazy amount because of INDP this morning, like crazy amount, and it's not even market open. So I'm just not gonna kind of force anything today. Just focus on A+ setups, especially like I'm pretty busy today. I got my doctor's appointment for my leg, so I'm just not really gonna push anything until I find a solid setup. I'm still riding this INDP. That 11.5 break was still solid on that downtrend breakout and VWAP break.
Will you add more if it breaks the pre-market high?
I'll slap a little bit more on 13 break, but I skilled a little bit just now, like as we speak. So like I'll size in again on 13 break. That makes sense. Because
sure.
like I want to manage risk, right? So what if it rejects 13? Then I'm still green because I scaled some out. So once we break that area, 13 area, then we're probably going to keep going higher. So I scaled a little bit here. If it dips below this 12.25 support, I'll get all out from the 11.5 break entry, and then I'll just focus on playing that 11 break. The 13 break. Yeah, so it looks like we're focusing on so you see how we got this support right here. We are going to test it. So this support, you see how this was resistance, right? So this resistance area, actually, so this was the resistance area, and then we later broke it and tested as support, right? And then we had this same resistance area again. So it was resistance, then it was support, then it was resistance, resistance broke. Now we act as support. Perfect dip buys 12.18, potential scalp for a couple cents, or you could look for the bigger run on 13 break.
You'll only get out of it if it's a full candle close, right?
What's up?
You'll only sell out if it's a full candle close, right? Not a fake break.
On the downside?
Yep.
Yeah. Unless it, keeps tanking, then I'm going to get out. But
So many, would you use 1 minute chart or 5 minute chart to help you out for your decision making? For example, for your entry.
1 minute and 5 minute?
Yeah. What do you
Yeah,
prefer?
so like on the break, I like to see
Yeah.
1 minute, like see how I see this 1 minute hold of this candle. So this candle hold right here, or this was resistance, this was support, or this was resistance, acted as support, resistance, support. So now if I go to the 5 minute, I get a bigger picture, right?
Yeah.
So you see how this dip buy would have been 20 SMA here.
Yeah.
So like that's what I see on the 5 minute that I don't see on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, you don't see anything there, right? So
Right.
it's just like switching between time frames and actually
Mhm.
getting familiar with all the time frames, right? So you draw your support out here. Next time it comes down here, it's probably going to bounce, right? Because same situation happened here. So I'm going to screenshot this and kind of send it out to everyone, explain it to them why.
So what I've seen is if you master supports and resistance, you will be fine.
Exactly. That's all you need. And obviously not all you need, but
Yeah, yeah. But at least.
yeah. So 5 minutes just basically looking at that bigger picture, So yeah, let's see. Let me kind of I'm gonna draw out the support and resistance for everyone and kind of show it to you.
Actually, yesterday Flooded did a good job explaining every time the old support becomes new resistance and the vice versa.
Exactly. And you see
Yeah,
it here, right? You see it here. Perfect
exactly. Yeah.
example.
He was
Resistance,
emphasizing
support.
all the time about this.
Exactly. You need that. You need that. So old resistance is new support. New support is old resistance. So perfect example right here. We try to bounce. Now it's breaking the support. So we have to make sure to get a candle close over that. So you see how this area was resistance, right? Now it's acting as support. Every time it goes below this line, wicks are it's lower wick. So buyers are pushing it back up because that's the support area, right? So you definitely
So
got to
if
keep those.
this candle completely closed under this support, so you would stop out.
Exactly, yeah. So if this candle closes below support and actually keeps the next candle closes another red one, then I'll stop out. Well, I won't stop out right now. All right, yeah, I probably will. Yeah, I'm looking to stop out here. And
Okay.
so you see, like, if it goes below 12, I'll fully get out. See, it could be a little fake out to see. So that's exactly why I held a little bit.
Yeah.
And then plus you have that $12 natural support, right? So
Yeah.
that's why it's if I'm only risking like 7 cents more after a big win. So you see how that's a 30-cent pop right there. So we just, yeah, make sure to hold that. It tried to close below, or it did close below, but then right 1 second later, it was a buyers pushed it back up. And if we close this candlestick, 2 more candlesticks over. So basically we need 2 more minutes, right? 2 more minutes.
Yeah.
We need to hold over this line, which
You
would
mean
be a
as a
close.
confirmation?
Yeah, 2 more minutes because that's the five. Because the 5 minute is 2 more minutes left on the candle. So
Yeah.
basically, if we get this 5 minute candle close over this line, that's gonna be bullish. Like ISEE yesterday, the first time we got that 5 minute candle close over 16.25 or 16, that's exactly when we rocketed. So that's key areas.
Mhm. Gotcha.
Let me see if I can find that ISEE. Um, What area was it? We can actually close over. Okay, you see how like every time it went to 16 on the 5 minute?
Yeah.
It went to 16, right? Rejected, 16, rejected. This time it actually went higher on the 16, closed right at 16 on the 5 minute. And right when we closed 16 on the 5 minute, we started rocketing, you know? That was a rocket ship. So we have to make sure on the 5 minute also. 1 minute is short-term confirmation. 5 minute is longer term confirmation. IRNT is back up. I'm just gonna keep scalping this all day. I'm gonna take it's like a lot of position for me, either like 35, like 30, 35, or just stop under 200 EMA again. So I'm just gonna be scalping this, just an FYI for you. But I still think that INDP does have the most potential. Nothing really else running.
So by scalping, you mean you are looking for 25 cents or what?
Nah, like sometimes I look for 25 cents, but like right now there's really nothing else running. So like I remember like this was my only play this morning, right? So
Yeah.
I held through this whole run because I
Good.
knew that nothing else is running. High conviction play, right? Had pattern, it had low float, nothing else running. So I made around 30 grand this morning on this. And
I know you are a
so
fan of low float.
yeah, exactly. I'm more of a low float type of guy. So
Emily, what do you think of NXTD?
MXPV. Could you repeat that?
NXTD.
Are you saying NXTD?
Are you getting out of INDP?
Give me 1 second.
I think you say NXTD, Mini.
Oh, NXTD.
I mean, that's the only one that ran this morning and then dropped
Yeah.
hard.
Yo, Asha, could you type it out in Premium Lounge? And yeah, INDP. I'm gonna stop out under that 12 area, especially if, and then I'll re-add at 12.75 area, because that's where VWAP and 20 SMA is. So on the 5 minute. So I'm still gonna hold this and wait for a little candle close. But honestly, I'm just gonna risk VWAP. But smaller size position for me right now. Actually, I'm gonna start building it again, and then so my fully stop on INDP is gonna be right under view up.
And Mini Mosey had news MLSY.
Give me 1 second.
For sure. It's got like 30-cent spreads and a $6 price.
All right. Yeah. So INDP. Gotta hold that view up, or I'm gonna be fully out, and then just play that 13 break.
Therapeutic.
So right when we get this kind of close, I'll be fully out here. You said most here, right? Pretty solid. I think this is a. Honestly, Brent, mostly might be very solid. INDP, I'm mostly scaling out here. I'm just gonna play that 13 break now. Mostly, I'll play 665 break here, quick scalp, just for a small scalp. I'm not. Honestly, I would like to see more consolidation, but 665 break, I'll play a little bit.
Hey, Minnie, can you hear me?
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, how do you, so during regular trading hours, you can actually slap like an active trade. How do you make your buy a pre-market?
Give me 1 second. I just got some Mosi 6.2 here. But basically what I do is you can slap the ask. So you see this button here? Slapping the ask is it's the same as market order, but in pre-market or after hours. That makes sense?
Yes, yes. As a matter of fact, I just did it. Yep, I see it. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
I think NXTD just had an offering for whoever was asking earlier.
And
Mosi, come on, baby.
I like Mosi.
So Mosi looks like that lower wick on the 1 minute looks super nice. Sellers brought it down to this 20 SMA. Got this dip. Buyers brought it back up. We're holding VWAP. 665 break is going to be massive on Mosi. It is a low flow play. So
Damn, Kevin, get it out.
let it all out.
Earnings on GMVD are up.
Out?
Yeah, revenue's up 45%.
Oh, for real? I didn't even. I thought I thought it was tomorrow. Wait, what? Oh wait, what the fuck? Oh, okay. What's today? Sorry, I'm tripping. Oh, GMVD getting some volume. Let's go. Let's go, GMVD. Come on, baby. Let that earnings run. Let's get that earnings run, baby. Come on. Mosi doing good too. GMVD, come on. Come on, GMVD. Give me at least 3.5 today. That would be a nice one to have.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Oh, GMVD.
INDP reversing. Yo, Minnie, can you hear me? Hello?
Oh, sorry. What's up? I was on mute. Sorry.
What's up, Minnie? So basically I'm starting off with $1,000 account, and I just want to get your opinion on like how should I approach this? Like, should I day trade twice a day? Maybe it's $500 each trade, just in case, I fall short on one trade, or I'm just like looking for some advice on that.
So, are you on a cash account or margin?
I'm on a margin now. I'm gonna switch to a cash account. I'm actually using Robinhood right now because that's like the easiest platform for me to
Oh, okay,
understand.
okay. Okay. Um. So I would focus on so if you're on what's it called, Robinhood, it is an easy platform for people starting off.
Yeah,
So I would focus on, because you only have 3 day trades on Robinhood.
exactly.
So focus on swing trading some if you can, right? And then see if you can get U stock trade, because U stock trade is a play that, or U stock trade is a platform that you can day trade under PDT with small commission. But so basically yeah, I mean, look at
Stock?
U stock trade. Yeah, it's sometimes you're gonna get limited liquidity issues, but it's kind of worth it for what you really put in. You're
There's also
getting,
no pre-market or after hours on stock trade.
yeah,
So just be aware of that.
Okay.
How do you spell that?
just the letter U and then STOCK.
And so basically, like, should I take like one trade a day at 500, or like
No, start sizing in slowly, right? So look for small positions,
okay,
basically get the experience of the trade. I always say don't trust the money, trust the process.
okay,
Um, so look for, smaller trades, right? Go in with like one share. You don't even need to use stock trade right now, honestly. Um, if you did have a cash account on Weibo, I would say get one share every single day and trade that. You have no emotions with one share. So
yeah. I'm trying to get better at my entries as well, and also like your watch list. So basically, I wait for a break on the price target you're looking for, or um like for that price to break and stay above to enter, or how does that work? Like, do I enter exactly?
so see, you're on Robinhood, right? So that's a lot of issues there with that. But you are starting off, so it's a little bit easier for you to understand. So that's kind of okay, I guess. But once you start getting a lot more familiarized, you see these hotkeys. This is what I
Yeah,
use right here. This active trade, whatever I want to buy. So quick taps, right when I see a break, just click that. By the time if I try to fill an order on Robinhood and it broke 665 and you slap the ask swipe on your order or whatever, you're gonna be filled like 685, 670.
so right now when you press buy
If I
buy
ask, I'll get filled 632 area.
630, so market price, or
Yeah,
like
it's gonna be the ask right here on this size, this right here.
oh, okay, oh
Yeah.
wow, okay.
So whatever it is, and just yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. I appreciate it, brother.
No worries. Oh my god, I grabbed a little bit more Mosi here. Mosi is repping.
Better break me on my day.
Sure, we banking, baby.
For sure, man. Some more Twitter gurus are on this, so I know that it is a highly watched stock.
Great news. Nice scalp, right? There we go. We'll see.
666, man, careful. Number of the devil.
Mm-hmm.
A nice call, Mini.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, it needs to break 6-8, man.
Yeah, definitely, skill as we go up. Solid green trade here so far. I still think this thing got a lot more potential though.
Oh, for sure.
Nice news here, low flow, it's a known runner. So I believe in it.
Yeah, that's especially the thing, right? When you check the daily chart, you see that it has run a lot and has slow float. And sometimes it comes from a low with great news.
So many ones. The plays have been so fire lately. But I think my biggest problem is that I sell too soon on the way up. And then I'm looking to re-enter. I don't want to chase, but like, what would you say for Mosey right now? Like, I'm out. So what would you say is like a good re-entry point or things that I should be looking at?
So I was so like right now, right? So let's just say when I said, okay, when I reset that GM what's it called? Mosi is looking good here. Let's say you added at 630 or 640 VWAP break. You sold at like a 660, 670 area, right? Now it comes down. You notice that, okay, there's VWAP here. It's holding very nicely. Let me grab 6.43 again. I'll stop out under 6.39. Very good risk to reward here. I'm going to end red like 6 cents on this trade, but I took 30 cents on this trade. So overall, I'm still going to be green. So let's just say VWAP is holding, right? It comes into consideration. All right, strong volume, right? Strong news. So try to focus on that.
Thank you so much. Makes a lot of sense.
Of course, of course. Mostly, so you see on the 1 minute, we got 20 SMA and we got VWAP. So that's confirmation of double support. So we really need to hold this area. If we don't, then it's probably going to go under that 6.5 support area. We really need to candle close over that.
I think everybody's scared to trade into open. It's only 9 minutes left. So your top watch is into open.
Sorry. Could you repeat that again? Yeah, my top watches. I'll be watching Mosi. I still think this got a lot of potential.
INDP?
Really, Yeah, INDP for sure.
IRNT?
If we break that INDP, we need to break that the key area for that 13 area. It's holding VWAP here. INDP is still holding VWAP, so I'm looking to take a starter here again, and then just stop out under 1165. So 20-cent risk for a potential $2 per share move. But I'll just 13 break on there is going to be massive. So let me kind of show you what I see on INDP right now. 1 minute chart holding that VWAP, right? I do see a downtrend breakout coming here.
But your VWAP is higher than mine. I'm on TradingView.
Yeah, so Webull gives it at 14. That's the VWAP. Yeah, it's called VWAP 14. I know some people have different VWAPs, but this works pretty well for me.
So what does the 14 mean? Because mine is HLC3 as a source. And,
what does yours have?
So the basic standard VWAP from
I'm pretty sure
it basically says the source is HLC3 and it's an anchor period of the session.
What were you saying, Flo?
I'm pretty sure what's it called? The Webull 14, the 14 part is right after is just what Webull calls it.
I think I'm not sure how it's weighted actually. I know it's based on intraday action, but you can change it. You can change it through, you can change your, what's it called? Your VWAPs. But I like the standard VWAP that Webull gives. It's worked for me.
I feel it. I think Webull calculates it different than.
Yeah, it looks like Webull is calculating a bit different than TradingView. I honestly don't use TradingView for charts. That's just personal.
TradingView literally popped off the VWAP, like it was literally on top on a 1 minute.
Oh, okay.
Want me to share it on Discord?
Yeah, sure. Send a screenshot. Let me see if maybe do you have an option to change your VWAP?
Yeah, so I can choose the different sources for averaging. So the open, the high, the low, the close of the candle. It just chooses HLC3, which I don't know exactly what it is.
Same. I'm not really familiar with that. If anyone else knows more about VWAP coordination, I guess.
With the high, the low, and the close of the candle. But, so where do you want me to share it?
Premium Lounge is fine.
All right.
Good evening, morning, everybody.
It's the blue line.
Good morning.
You see it? It literally bounces off there.
Give me one second. Give me 1 second, all right? I just got some of the INDP on that. So give me 1 second, Mo. Oh, see, look, Mosi's holding VWAP.
Oh yeah.
Let me see that. Okay. Okay. Wow, that VWAP bounce is perfect. What the heck?
Yeah, there's just differences between
HLC3. What? Okay, so what other options do you have under source?
Yeah, so close, open, the high.
Oh, so yeah, okay, so that means it is doing it based off of candlesticks, right? Yeah. I'm not sure if, yeah, I'm not really sure.
I think HLC3.
Meaning, what's your watch right
now? The high, the low, and the close of the candle. Like it combines the three.
Yeah. Okay. That's okay. Maybe I'll try that out. On TradingView, see how that goes. Also, what was your question? Someone else was asking something. Oh, but yeah, I don't know, I'm not too familiar with that trading view VWAP issue, or like how it differentiates. I just know I use my standard VWAP from Webull. But if we got Rob D in here or what? Rob D, Pecker, Pinks. Look at
GMVD is making a comeback.
Yep.
It had good news this morning.
Yeah, we got some we got numbers on that.
Good morning from Hawaii, about 3:30 a.m.
Good morning. Wow, 3:30 a.m. Put in that work, huh?
Been up from 10 p.m. Hawaii time.
Oh wow.
You're like the exact opposite.
We're here.
It's 10:30 p.m. Fuck.
You guys are all the best. Just wanted to say that.
Thank you. Thank you. We love you. Love this community.
You think Mozzie is going to shoot up from this consolidation pretty soon?
I definitely think if we hold 625 or this view up into open, it looks pretty strong, bro. Oh. If we really need to claim this view up before open, and then that's going to be very strong.
Minnie, so for breaks, do you always wait for the candle to close above?
Could you repeat that again?
Do you always wait for the candle to try and close above for the breaks?
Not really. It just depends on the situation. Like if it's the first entry I'm taking, then no. If it's a multiple time entry, like right now, like so you see how it was the first entry, I don't wait. So like INDP, right? 10 break, like I said, I slapped right on the break because I was high confidence. It was the first entry, but like over here or somewhere else over here, like I'll wait for a little bit more confirmation because I've already played it out, you know? So
that makes sense.
So the first one, I really don't, but I do like to see the retest of support. I'll buy more, you know?
Cool. Thank you.
For sure.
INDP catching volume.
Yep. INDP, baby. INDP. Let me put up on the screen for you. Trading on the phone right now. Major volume into open. Make sure to stay green. Scales we go up. We got those 1185 ads. Took those with me, then scale. And then scale some out and then play that volume also, you know. Mostly I'll fully stop out under 6.3 and then play the momentum on 665 break. Right now, still looking good. But INDP looks like the strongest right now. INDP does look like the strongest. 12.5 break. So I'm watching that 12.5. Obviously, scales would go up. Nice pop into open. Still looks the strongest though. Broke out of this pennant. You see that? Broke out of that wedge. Very nicely forming. And,
SPY breaking opening range to the downside. Careful.
Guys. I'm at school right now. Where's Minnie at?
I'm right here, baby.
I'm at school, my car posted right now.
Oh, sheesh, boy. See, it's holding that trend line, that support trend line. So if we keep holding this, 12.5 break is going to be huge.
Hey, Minnie, what do you think about DWSN?
IRNT popping.
Give me 1 second, bro. There's a lot going on.
IRNT over 28, 29 already.
Which one?
IRNT.
Yeah. Oh, IRNT? No way. I think I still have a position in that. Hold up. What's going on? Nah.
It's going for 30.
Let me see if I have a position. Oh, damn. I scaled most. Fuck.
Sheesh. IRNT fucking went.
It bounced perfectly off 12.50, 25.50. It's halted. What?
Yeah.
Yo, Minnie, what's up?
I brought it up on I brought it up on voice.
Minnie, you tagged me. What's up?
Yeah.
Halted on a circle.
What's it called? Can you help people? Can you help all the new people join premium? Or I mean the voice, all the people on trading floor. They're all DMing me. Hello?
I found this.
Bro, MC got shit on.
Look at INDP popping.
Oh, I got a little at the 12. It's so hard trading. You're probably doing the same thing right now, man. You're trading off your phone.
Let's go. INDP new high day, baby. Let's go. 12.5 break. Solid. 13 is next key.
Sheesh, are you broken?
Yeah, I had those 12-7 ads.
Oh my god.
Minnie, you see IRNT? It's at 30.
Yeah, I see it. So IRNT, I talked about it on voice. It was nice consolidation.
INDP halted.
77K.
Holy shit.
Hell yeah. Good job, guys.
Let's go.
I'm gonna add the chaos, GMVD.
Fuck yeah.
I added like quick and a lot on the 12 dip.
GMVD too. My God, baby. GMVD. Let's go. Let's go, GMVD, baby.
INDP?
Everything. We're just banking straight up now.
So,
damn, those ads were nice right before the pause.
both IRNT and INDP halted. Jesus, man. So, Minnie, how do you play halts?
I'm definitely gonna scale a shit ton out on my halt on the unhalt.
I bought a lot of shares, bro, at 12 range.
So yeah, IRNT. So I was talking about it earlier. On voice. I left my position, but I did scale a lot on the dip. So I only had 1,000 shares left. I started with 5K, but I only had 1,000 shares. So it's decent win. I mean, I guess winner's winner, but INDP is paying so hard. GMVD is paying back again.
GMVD is gonna about to break 350.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it looks like they had news. I didn't see that. GMVD.
Yep, earnings.
Yeah, earnings were up 45.5%.
Also, Ryan, remember we were talking in the lifetime chat about the news that I wanted them to release, the side news?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like they did. It was they just said Unity Point Prisma Vital Signs pilot study to start end of September. So
Dude, it's
yeah.
ripping.
Sweet.
Moses is sitting on support here.
Oh my god.
I'd love to
wow.
see a good $4 today.
Woo! Strong momentum.
I fucking made so much off that.
Flood, do you think we're going to see 4 today?
Yeah, I think it's really definitely possible. We just broke out of the triangle we had on the daily chart.
Let's fucking go.
Let's go, baby. Green day for all.
Flutter, I'm waiting on that 150%.
Moses might come back here if it catches volume. It's a difficult play.
Man, what a day. There's so much going on. I can't even let out my excitement right now.
SPY is still falling though.
My God.
I made fucking a lot off that fucking INDP dip.
GMVD ripping. I'll be right back.
IRNT started again. Broke 30. Oh, damn.
Looks like Ader got hammered, so I'm sure there's a lot of people freaking out about that.
Let's see if IRNT can hold above 30.
Games you got fucking shit on too.
That's volume, man. That's more than a million volume.
I still like Mosey. I'm gonna add a bit here.
Touch 14.
INDP unhalted.
14.
Oh, 14 taps?
I scaled out a lot here.
Fuck.
I have a good amount left. Actually, I'm gonna scale a lot. I'm gonna scale most out.
Moses trying to come back up here.
I'm out.
I'm out on INDP too. Almost.
Ah.
Dude, the 5 minutes not even hot on this thing yet.
I'm scared, Rob. I'm scared.
Why go fully out and not hold like?
If you
20
scared, go to
shares
church,
for
bro.
10%?
I'll wait for re-entry.
All right, GMVD needs to break that 360 wall.
Careful, the SPY's legging down again.
Yeah. Rob, you're the one that said sell the pops.
Yeah, well, especially when the SPY's doing this. I was just messing with you. Yeah, I always take profit for sure. But yeah, definitely when the SPY's doing like this, yeah, don't be greedy at all.
Yeah, I mean, I was a dollar per share guy, so.
You saw yesterday, like nothing, almost
Oh wow,
nothing held.
look at that buying pressure on GMVD, guys. GMVD is just looking great.
Thing's a fucking animal, man.
Look at that hammer, yeah.
You started scaling out at all on it yet?
AMC below fucking 44.
I think he was talking to you, Flooded.
Can you guys hear me?
1.6 million volume on Thinkorswim. Holy
can hear you.
shit.
All right, just making sure.
What are all the IPOs doing?
Are you guys green yet in GMVD? I never took a position.
IRNT might bounce here.
I'm green right now.
Green.
Green.
So wasn't it in the twos when Flooded called it, or what was it at?
I think it's in the threes.
Yeah, he called it like 3:30 or something like that.
Add a little bit GMVD here.
That's why it's always important, especially if you're gonna swing something. That's why it's important to scale in. You buy when it's looking bad, when it has these days or it's getting pushed down. That's when you're supposed to be buying, and then days like this, you're out.
Like yesterday when it pounced way down to 260.
Yes, sir. That's the beauty. Like, when we play these like a momentum plays, like we're just playing off of the hopes of momentum. That's the beauty of when you do like play like Flood does, is like he did his due diligence. He believes and he's got conviction. So the price is irrelevant. So if the price goes down, you buy because you're convinced that it's not that it shouldn't be down and it's going to come back up.
Yeah. The only thing about this is you're taking a chance always holding in the earnings reports.
There we go.
There it goes.
There it goes.
Yeah, it's flipping. I'm really liking IRNT right here, guys.
Me too. I do too. I have 29 ads. Oh. Let's go.
All right, 380 is the next big break. I think that's where I start scaling out.
INDP, new holiday. Just on that. It's about to hit 15. Jeez.
Oh, fuck, Rob. Look at IRNT. Oh my God, this one's scaring me. No.
Yeah, don't be greedy with it because this thing could go just sicko either way.
Thing is so volatile, man. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's wild. INDP is not done
it.
yet. INDP is not done yet. I'm just telling you.
Oh, Spy.
He's 15s only.
Holy crap, Spy. Spy is almost recovering $1.
Damn, man, I should have sold some premium. God bless. That thing is ripping. Holy shit. What happened?
Yesterday was in a descending triangle. It re-entered and then broke out again.
I don't think IDMP.
Oh, we had some data come out. We had some data come out.
Manufacturing data. INDP down there. Just like a lotto.
I don't think it's done yet.
Yeah, I got some more.
Yeah, I'm already out of IRNT too.
Yeah, I took it as well, man. I was up $1.
I was like, give me that 50 cents.
I was like,
yeah, no, that's what I did. I went from
29.
I went from 29 and I sold right when it got close to 30 because, just in case it rejected it and, it could come down and come back up. This thing's wild, man. But $1 per
50 cents a share.
I'm 50 cents, $1. I'm cool with that. If you're buying enough, that is plenty.
For sure.
GMVD approaching the high day again.
KPLT is actually.
What's up, everyone? How you doing? Straight banking this morning for real.
Yeah,
INDP
man.
hit that 15 area. IRNT, sorry, I had to go take care of stuff. I was
I don't
still.
think it's done, man. I don't think INDP's
No,
done.
I don't think so either. Banking hard as fuck on here. KPLT kind of coming back, but I got a doctor's appointment today at 9, so I gotta leave in like 10 minutes.
All right.
GMVD is breaking
Really
out
bank
green
in the
here.
morning.
Yeah,
So I
Let's
think
go.
Daily.
X-ray for my leg.
Look at that daily, bro.
GMVD.
Bro, look
Look
at
your legs.
GMVD 3.8 breakout soon.
what
Okay,
happened to your legs?
Mosi trying to come back up. Mosi trying to come back up.
Yo, Mini, GMVD, let's get that bread.
Let's do it. Make sure. Damn, I was down over 6 figures on this yesterday.
Minnie, why don't you go and slap 6 figures more onto GMVD? Give it a little pump.
I've been fucking. When I saw these earnings, bro, I've been slapping like crazy. I just increased my position like crazy.
Bump us up to $4 and I'll sell out.
Trying to get that 4 break here.
I allowed in GMVD right here.
What do you say? 380 break takes it to 4?
Hopefully, yeah.
That'd be like the best case. I just mark about you. I don't even care.
Damn, you weren't swinging, huh?
No, I wasn't swinging GMVD.
Damn, you don't trust. That's the issue.
I didn't add when it's under 3, but I just forgot about it. See, that slap does me right there.
Yeah, is that your slap right there? Look at you, market buyer.
Chill. Is that me? I don't know.
That's me, bro. That's me.
Oh, okay. What you doing?
Oh,
Slap it. Come on, show me what you got.
I'm not slapping anymore. It's above my eyes right now.
God damn it. Hit 380 so I can get my first scale out.
Nah. I'm trying to get some bids going. Nice 12K bid, 355.
I'm going to take out 10% at 380.
I slapped it hard, bro. It better go up. I'm gonna give it that break, bro. I'll slap it right here again.
There it went. All right.
Sure.
All right, let's go to 4. 1,500 shares at 4, and I'm out.
Oh shit. 20K bid, 373.
Sweet.
Come on, fill it. And don't fill it, we'll bounce off of it. Come on.
Didn't you have to leave?
Yeah, I do. My mom's yelling my name, but GMVD is ripping. I told her to hold up. Hold up.
When you slap it right here for the boys.
I'm trying.
GMVD's ripping. Hold on.
Yeah, hold on. What you mean, hold on? Sure.
Tell your mom you can turn your head and cough tomorrow.
I gotta go for my X-ray for my leg.
What'd you do to your leg?
Oh, I was on my go-kart and messed up.
Me and him were on the go-kart and we fucked up so bad.
Flooded was drifting and he tried to kill me. He's like, I'm executing mini trades out here.
Oh my god.
Oh fuck.
He's like, still
the next time I'm
60 bit.
stateside, I'm gonna have to drive my motorcycle down there, and you guys can ride your go-karts, and
hell
we can
yeah.
let the cops chase us.
Oh yeah, and then when they catch us, we'll just pay them off.
I'm adding INDP down here again. I can see I can get a 15 break, in my opinion.
Then I'd have to fucking go to Texas.
All right, guys, I really got to head out. Good luck to y'all. I really hope y'all keep banking INDP, GMVD bangers. GMVD 4 breaks going to be massive. But yeah, y'all do you. Stay green. Peace.
See ya.
See you, dude.